to day 5 of the College List Challenge. My name is Mosley of Mo Advise. Today we will be tackling one of the biggest questions families and students ask me all the time. What are my real chances of getting in? Are there any admission strategies that I can use that can change the outcome of me getting accepted? Today we'll be talking about admission chances and then tackling college tiers. Let's talk about timing and strategy. When you apply matters just as much as where you apply. And believe it or not, how early you apply also matters. There are 4 major college admissions plans that most colleges and universities use. From early decision, which is binding, basically saying, if I get in, I'm going. Early action, which is not binding. You can apply early, usually October 1st, which is a great option if you want options, because you don't have to commit even if you get accepted. There's a regular decision, which is usually the application is around January 1st, December 31st. This is the traditional route. More students apply through this plan or through this application process, and there's usually more competition for this decision. There's also rolling admissions, where it's first come, first serve, and usually community colleges use this plan. Now, there's something that most people don't tell you, and you have to understand this. Colleges are not just looking for who's qualified. They're also looking to try to figure out, if we admit this student, will they actually come? Right? That's why applying early or showing that you're interested in the college can work in your favor. The colleges want to admit students who really want to be there, right? They want a high yield, right? That behind the scenes factor is called yield, which plays a very big part in how schools make their decision. That yield is the percentage of students who actually enroll after being admitted, right? Colleges want a high yield. They want almost a guarantee that if they take the chance of admitting you, you will actually enroll and attend. So you don't really have to game the system. You just have to be intentional, right? The more college thinks that you're a good match and excited, and that you're excited to attend, the better your odds are to actually attend that college. My goal is to shift your mindset from thinking that, I hope they pick me, to how can I position myself smartly and get accepted to the college of your dream. So just know that, admission chances are more than just test scores. They include your GPA, your activities that you do after classes, your essays, and also how you fit with that particular college and what they value. So let's talk about where to apply, which is more of like the college tiers. Every school that on your list should include a mix of one of these tiers that I'm going to talk about briefly. There's elite schools, which are highly selective. Think about Ivy League colleges. They have a very low acceptance rate. There are match schools, which are more aligned towards your average admitted, like you meet that profile. And there's likely schools, meaning safety schools, where you typically exceed their admissions profile. Having a mixture of all these schools, reach schools, match schools, safety schools on your list help you understand where you actually stand. So my other tip that I would give is colleges usually track demonstrated interests. So visiting, emailing, attending college tours, or even virtual tours can actually help boost your acceptance of getting in. So what is the challenge prompt of the day? Add three more schools on your list. You should actually have six by now. From yesterday, three was from yesterday, where you would pick three specialty schools and looked into them through the college scorecard. Well, today add three more schools on that list and write down which strategy that you will use for each school. Right, and on that list also include how would you apply? When would you apply? Early decision, early action, regular, or rolling? Then ask yourself, does my list give me real options across all three tiers? Okay, so jump into that prompt, the action step, and we'll continue on tomorrow, day 6, where we will actually start building the tools of actually creating your college list, where I will teach you how to research a school, what to look for on part 1. I'll see you tomorrow, and thanks for stopping by. Thanks for listening to me, and keep on going.